we are here at the Barberville Pioneer Settlement's 2024 Fire and Ice Chili Cook-Off and Ice Cream Churn-Off. This year is a little bit different. Our chili contestants were limited exclusively to nonprofit organizations, all here competing for the cash prize. In addition to that, our ice cream turn-off is still going strong with 3 local curated flavors from our Barberville favorite team. With over 20 vendors, living demonstrators, 20 historic structures, our live farm animals, and more, it's an event you definitely don't want to miss.
We have about 200 clubs here in the Florida District where we work to help serve the children in the communities. Daytona Beach is here sponsoring the event today for the Chili Cook-Off, but we're getting a brand new club here started right here in West Volusia. So if we get the money donated, Daytona Beach is going to use that money as a starting fund for the West Volusia Kiwanis Club so they can serve the children in the local community.
A young service organization. We are Rotarians, so we live by the motto service above self. We have been in downtown DeLand since 2018, and if we win here today, we'll be going towards our grant fund and our scholarship fund, where we give grants out yearly to local nonprofits.
We are a museum that's been around for 30 years, and we focus on African art as well as Caribbean American art, bringing awareness to the culture. So when we win the Chili Cook-Off today, we'll be using those monies to go towards the building expansion. We're going from 800 square feet to about 3,300 square feet, so that we'll be able to serve the community at a greater capacity.
Our mission is to lead the way to end Alzheimer's and all other dementia by accelerating global research, driving risk reduction and early detection, and maximizing quality care and support. If we win the Chili Cook-Off today, our plans with the money are to go towards Alzheimer's research and local programs like education and support groups for caregivers.